Welcome all. So today we are discussing the highlights or the important points uh, as we are entering the April 5th week. Okay, so let's discuss about the COVID matrix. It's important. Like we are identifying 3,50,000 cases identified in a single day. That's what worrying the investor, and the investor are selling the particular securities. But there are some positive positive things as well, which I like to highlight here. Like it's fine that we kind of getting 3,50,000 cases in a single day, but we also getting 2,15,000 people recover. So that's a good news. Okay, and vaccine administration we kind of did in a single day 25,36,587. So that's also very kind of good number in a single day. So definitely we everybody knows that even though we get vaccinated, there might be chance that we get COVID. Okay, but the severity will be low. So definitely that particular instance will help us in the recovery rate and the disease. Okay, so in the 24th April we identify like around 3,000 souls we are lost. So definitely this vaccine administration will help us over there. So but in if we talk this will help in the future, but if we talk today's what is happening today, it's not good. Like 3,050 people are getting identified. I will urge that don't let your guard down, take all the necessary precaution, and we like it's everyone's job. It's not a single man job. Everyone keep taking the all the necessary precaution, we can reduce the particular number. Okay, but the particular cases rising and the lockdown restriction also rising in the different states. That's our worrying investor. Okay, second thing, the earning. So we kind of listed the couple of companies which are showing the green quarter to quarter, like September 20 and December 20. The performance they're kind of showing the green performance. So majorly the auto companies are releasing the March earnings. Okay, March quarter earning, we can say. If I just talk about few like Maruti Suzuki, they did 42% quarter to quarter improvement. That's a good number. Okay, another one is a Bajaj Auto, so they did 36.8%. That's also good. TVS Motor 39.2. So they definitely, what I feel is that in upcoming March as well, they will show some good number as well over there. Okay, yeah, here the foreign investor and the domestic investor, we can see the green line when foreign and domestic investor are buying, and the red one the foreign investor and the domestic investor are selling. So what we observing from here is that the foreign investors selling like 9,000 crore security they have sold actually in this April. So guys, as we were talking that the lockdown restriction, the COVID cases, because of that the pressure is kind of the building up, and that's what the we are looking here is that the foreign investor kind of selling. Okay, so that's one thing. We also try to identify Nifty from technical chart analysis. What we try to identify is that 13,500, it's the kind of good support which we need to look before just start investing, because what we feel is that considering the current data set which we do have, even though one single day market end up in the green, probably in the next day could be end up with the red one. Okay, and the Nifty will fall, and 13,500, that's the level which we feel is that market will survive from the will survive that level, and from that we may see the uptrend. That's what we feel is. Yeah, so that's up guys. I will say happy investing. Let us know your feedback and comment. We'll be looking forward for that, and happy investing. Bye bye, have a nice day.